It is amazing how some people can look at bare metal and bolts, see something completely different, and then build it. Turkish couple Ibrahim and Burçak looked at this empty chassis cab and imagined a home, then built one. The chassis cab rolls into the workshop for its first transformation. Unnecessary wires and brackets are stripped away, leaving a clean foundation to build from. As the couple removes the old decals, fabricators begin preparing the frame for the camper body. It is the first real step in turning the bare chassis into a home on wheels. The platform is lifted off, primed red to protect the bare metal from rust, then placed back on the chassis, ready for the next stage. Prefabricated upright frames are fixed along the chassis, each one locked securely into place. With every section added, the flat platform gains height, and the Caravan's silhouette begins to emerge. Ibrahim takes the framed chassis out for a test drive, checking how the new structure handles movement, vibration, and road pressure before the build goes any further. Back at the workshop, careful measurements are taken across the floor before wooden boards are trimmed to shape, ensuring a snug fit that locks the base together tightly. Precision here matters because an uneven floor would cause problems for every fitting that follows. As the floor takes shape, insulation and boards are added section by section. Each insulated area is covered with a board fitted flush to the next, gradually creating a solid, continuous base for the interior fittings. Attention shifts to the walls, where resin is rolled over fiberglass cloth laid across a foam core. As it cures, the layers bond into a lightweight composite panel for the Caravan's exterior shell. The finished shell is hoisted and lowered onto the frame, marking a major milestone as the Caravan takes its full shape for the first time. Now the shell has to bond to the structure. Fresh fiberglass is laid where the body meets the metal frame, then worked into each joint. As it cures, it locks the shell in place and seals out moisture. Ibrahim then cuts openings for the windows, vents, and door, preparing the shell for light, airflow, and access. Getting these cuts right is crucial, as poorly sized openings could compromise the Caravan's strength and weatherproofing. With the basic structure complete, the Caravan goes out for another test drive, as Ibrahim checks how the bonded shell and frame handle road movement. Back at the workshop, cab modifications begin while the Caravan windows are test-fitted. Attention then shifts to the exterior paintwork. Primer is applied to prepare the surface for its final paint finish. The builders then cut another door opening and extra window sections, bringing more natural light and ventilation into the Caravan. Wooden roof frames are measured, cut, and fitted along the top of the Caravan. They form the roof skeleton, helping distribute load and providing fixing points for the insulation and ceiling panels. The tail light assembly is installed on the rear bumper, an important step toward making the Caravan safe and road legal. The Caravan's interior has now taken real shape, with the structure fully reinforced and ready for the fit-out to begin. A single-piece fiberglass bathroom module is slid into place. Using a pre-built unit speeds up construction and creates a waterproof, seamless finish that is harder to achieve from scratch in such a tight space. After countless rounds of sanding, filler work, welding, and painting, the Caravan's exterior finally comes alive. The transformation shows the patience and craftsmanship poured into every panel. Back inside, foam insulation is fitted into the wall framing. The couple installs wooden slats around a circular window, forming a sunburst pattern that adds warmth, character, and a personal touch. Flexible foil barrier sheets are installed across the ceiling to help regulate the temperature inside, while internal wiring is adjusted and routed into position. Wood pieces are fitted directly over the exposed metal framework, covering sharp edges and giving the interior cleaner, polished lines. Beyond improving the look, these timber strips also create solid fixing points for the wall panels that will be installed later. These channels also provide rigid support to securely hold insulation in place. The insulation uses a two-layer setup. The pink polystyrene foam fitted between the framing provides thermal and moisture resistance, both vital in a mobile home exposed to changing weather. The second layer is reflective bubble foil wrap, fitted over the foam boards. Like the ceiling layer, it helps block radiant heat from the sun and keeps the Caravan cooler in summer. Foil insulation is a smart choice for this build because it is ultra-thin and lightweight. It does not take up valuable living space or add unnecessary weight to the vehicle. Thin plywood wall panels are installed over the insulation, with each window and door cutout matched precisely to the existing openings. These panels create the final interior wall surface, giving the space a smooth, paintable finish for the next stages of the build. The pair follow the same process for the remaining interior cladding, then paint the porch railing to complement the white exterior theme, bringing a sense of cohesion and intentional design to the build. The Caravan is coming together nicely, with some appliances already in place. However, the space still needs fixtures to truly feel like home. It's time to design and construct the custom cabinetry and countertops that will define the interior's look and functionality. Most of this phase takes place in a woodworking workshop, where specialized equipment gives them the precision needed for tight cabinetry work. It also gives them more room to measure, cut, and maneuver panels outside the cramped interior. But before any of the fixtures go in, they need to be painted, and Burchak takes on the task with obvious joy. As the paint cures, the couple turn their attention to the porch floor, laying natural wood decking strips across the surface. Once sanded and sealed, the wood gives the porch a warm, inviting feel that sets the tone for the interior. With the porch complete, the final push begins. The couple head back inside to finish the interior and bring everything together for the last time. And with that, the caravan build is done. It is now ready for its first camping trip out in the wild. After all the craftsmanship and countless hours spent transforming the bare chassis into a fully functional caravan, it is finally time for the much-awaited grand tour. The fully furnished interior blends nostalgic mid-century charm with cozy, nature-inspired details, creating a space that feels carefully curated. Every corner reflects a deliberate design choice, making it feel far more like a boutique retreat than a converted truck. The soft, warm lighting paired with the retro appliances and classic cookware gives the space a timeless, homely character, making the compact interior feel more like a true home away from home. Even though space was limited, Ibrahim and Burçak made every square inch count, adding clever storage and even an extendable sleeping area that brings real functionality without making the interior feel cramped. The natural wood tones and earthy color palette give the interior an organic, cabin-like grounding that will blend beautifully with the natural surroundings the caravan was built to explore. And that is it for this project. Well done to Ibrahim and Burçak, and may they enjoy their beautiful caravan home wherever it takes them. To follow their travels, check out their channel Seyarhane on YouTube, linked in the description box. As always, be sure to subscribe to Techfreeze for more builds, more stories, and plenty more projects just like this. See you soon.